Looking for a smartphone that's worth your attention? Look no further than the Oppo Find X6 Pro. This impressive device boasts a stunning display, powerful hardware, and an array of innovative features that make it stand out from the crowd. So, if you're curious about what this phone can do, keep watching, because in this video we're going to dive deep into everything the Oppo Find X6 Pro has to offer. The Oppo Find X6 Pro has a sleek and premium design, with a curved screen and a glass back that gives it a very modern and stylish look. It boasts a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front, aluminum frame and a Gorilla Glass 5 or Eco leather back, giving it a premium and sturdy feel. This device includes 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.3, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. This is otherwise a clean and solid-looking design. There are no grills, just aggressive drill-throughs for the USB-C charging port, speaker, microphone, and SIM slot on the bottom edge. On top, a speaker, microphone, and what I believe is an IR controller for use with third-party consumer electronic devices like your AC unit or TV. The volume controls are on the left and sleep-wake button is on the right side. The rear of the device features a unique camera module that houses the triple 50-megapixel camera setup. With a sleek and flashy design, the Oppo Find X6 Pro has a massive 6.82 inches QHD Plus AMOLED display, with a resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels and a pixel density of 510 ppi. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and a variable refresh rate between 1 and 120 Hz, which makes scrolling and navigating the phone very smooth and responsive. The Oppo Find X6 Pro runs on Android 13 with Oppo's custom UI on top. The UI is clean, easy to navigate, and comes with plenty of customization options. With 800 nits of base brightness but up to 2500 peak nits, the display is more than able to hold up in direct sunlight, beating out the iPhone 14 Pro's impressive brightness ceiling. The Oppo Find X6 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is one of the most powerful chipsets available on the market. It is paired with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and either 256 or 516 GB UFS 4.0 internal storage, which is more than enough to handle even the most demanding apps and games. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, so you can enjoy lightning-fast download and upload speeds. The Oppo Find X6 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is enough to last a full day on a single charge. The phone supports 100-watt fast charging, which means you can charge it from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging, which is a nice added convenience. Now let's talk about the camera. The Oppo Find X6 Pro comes with a triple camera setup, consisting of a 50-megapixel primary, a 50-megapixel telephoto, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The camera produces stunning photos with accurate colors and plenty of detail. The phone also has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, which is perfect for selfies and video calls. The Oppo Find X6 can also shoot up to 4K video at 60 FPS. In conclusion, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is an impressive phone that ticks all the boxes. It has a stunning design, powerful performance, and a great camera. The software is clean and easy to use, and the battery life is good too. If you're in the market for a new flagship phone, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is definitely worth considering. The Find X6 Pro is only officially sold in China for now. The good news is the phone is relatively cheap for a device of this caliber, retailing in China starting at $59.99 yuan, around $872 for the base 12GB RAM, 256GB storage variant. Even the most expensive model, with 16GB RAM and 512GB of storage, is selling for $69.99 yuan, around $1,017. This means if you want to import one from a reseller, even with the usual reseller markups and shipping fees, you can get the base model for less money than what a new Galaxy S23 Ultra would cost you. That's it for our review of the Oppo Find X6 Pro. Let us know in the comments what you think about this phone. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Thanks for watching.